In this video, we are going to show you how to log out of Hermes Agent. Now, there are two definitions of this. Logging out from a session, because in the Hermes desktop app, there is no way of logging out. Right? There is no way of logging out. If I click here on the settings, there is no logout options here. Right? So, with that said, in terms of being in the app, logging out, quote unquote, is just deleting the session, right? Getting out of the session, or just deleting the session or archiving it. That's the first thing. Second way of logging out is if you go to actually the website, which is New Research or newsresearch.com, right? If this is, again, you can't use this if this is logged out, right? If you want to log out, it's going to be here. Very bottom, it says log out, right? Over here on the lower left corner. Click log out and you'll be logged out here. And likewise, you won't be able to use this afterwards. So that is how you log out of Hermes Agent. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.